Hi friends, in this video we can see about some gate problems related to two-port network. In the previous video we saw about what is two-port network, a reciprocity condition for a two-port network and different parameters, impedance, admittance, transmission and hybrid parameters and the method to find out these parameter matrices. We all seen in the previous video. In this we can see about some of the gate questions related to two-port network. Okay, we can see the first question. A two-port network is shown in the figure. The parameter h21 for network can be given by. They are asking h21. Actually, the given network is a T matrix. Okay, the given network is a T matrix, and they are asking the h21 matrix, which is the hybrid parameter. Okay, first of all, if any parameter is given means first of all we need to take the corresponding z. We need to find out the z parameter. From the z parameter we may be able to determine the corresponding h matrix. Okay, we know that z matrix, the impedance matrix can be from the T network. Z11 is nothing but r plus r. R plus r is the z11. Okay, r plus r is nothing but 2r. Okay, and then z z12 is equal to z21, which is the reciprocity condition, which is equal to here what is nothing but r. Okay, so z12 is equal to z21 is equal to r. Then z22 is nothing but what is the thing is that here 2r. How 2r? R plus r is 2r. Okay, 2r. From this we determine the what z parameter for the corresponding T network. Okay, then in the table, then in that question they are asking the h21 matrix. Okay, actually the h parameter for the corresponding z parameter is del z by z22, z12 by z22 minus z21 by z22 1 by z22. Okay, here del z nothing but del z is equal to corresponding determinant matrix for the corresponding z parameter. Okay, which is nothing but 4r square minus r square, which is 3r square. In the question they are asking only the corresponding h21 matrix. Okay, they are asking only the corresponding h21 matrix. H21 formula is nothing but minus of z21 by z22. Here z21 is r and z22 is 2r, so h21 is equal to minus 1 by 2, which is a minus 0.5. Okay, so the answer is option A, minus 1 by 2. Okay, we can see the next problem. The admittance parameter y12 in the two-port network is shown in the figure. Okay, they given the pi matrix and they are asking the y12 of the corresponding matrix. Okay, in the question they given pi network and they are asking the what they are asking in the question. They are asking y12 matrix. Okay, y12 matrix. Okay, we know that the given pi network is corresponding to the admittance matrix only. There we need not to change into pi into t or some other thing. Okay, from the given network itself we may write. We should note that for admittance we need to note that y12 is nothing but r1 is r1 resistor value plus r2 resistor value, which may be z1 or z2. These two combination is equal to y11. Okay, and then y12 is nothing but the question they ask y12 is nothing but the resistor z2 value 20 ohm. Okay, we need to note that the admittance given here is in the ohm format. Actually admittance should be in what? Mho. Admittance should be in mho. Okay, so we need to take the reciprocal of the corresponding equation. For y12 we may consider as a minus of 1 by 20. Okay, y12 is equal to minus of 1 divided by what, 20. Okay, here why we apply minus means for y12 it will be negative sign from the pi matrix, and then 1 by 20, because here we need to determine the only the mho values. Okay, the reciprocal we should determine, not the ohm values. Okay, so 1 by 20 minus 1 by 20. Okay, minus 1 by 20 is nothing but minus 0.05 mho. Okay, the option C is correct, which is 0.05 mho. Okay, we can see the next problem. For a two-port network shown in the below, the short circuit admittance parameter is they given the pi matrix, and they are asking the admittance matrix. Okay, admittance nothing but what, admittance is y matrix. Okay, they are asking the y matrix and they given the pi network. Okay, okay, actually we know that admittance should be in the reciprocal format. They are given, if they given mho means no problem, they given ohm, so we take the reciprocal format. Z1 is nothing but 1 by 0.5, which is equal to 2, and all the given matrix are 0.5 ohm. So we know that this is a, all the Z1, Z2, Z3 will be 2 only. Okay, so we know that for y12 will be combination of both these two. Here this is 2, this is 2, so 2 plus 2 is equal to here what, 4. Okay, for y12 we know that y11 y12 is equal to y21. Okay, y12 to y21 is equal to what, 0.5. Reciprocal of 1 by 0.5, minus sign will be there, and which is the reciprocal of 1 by 0.5, minus of 1 divided by 0.5. Okay, so minus 1 to 0.5 is nothing but what, 0.5 is nothing but minus 2. Okay, so y12 is equal to y21 is equal to minus 2. Then we know that y22 value, which is the combination of these two, so 2 plus 2, which is 4. Okay, so the corresponding matrix for the admittance matrix will be 4 minus 2 minus 2 4. Okay, in this question they are asking only this admittance matrix, so this will be the answer. Okay, okay, we can solve the next problem in the next video. Thank you.